Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Eviki eliphelile, uChief of Staff kaMinister uSenzo Mchunu okuCedric Nkabinde uye wabiza i-press briefing. Wasazisa ukuthi he's fearing for his life, usabela impilo yakhe, and ukufika kwamaphoyisa afaka amabharaklava akumphathi kahle ngoba uyazazi igameko lapho khona amaphoyisa afika khona akudubule bese kuthiwa wena ubudubulana namaphoyisa. Phinde waveza ukuthi kuyenzeka amaphoyisa afike nama-drugs wona awaplante bese ekugcineni kosuku ethi nguwe umnikazi walawo ma-drugs. Kuthe kusenjalo amaphoyisa aphinda agasela futhi emzini ka-Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya, naye washo inkulumo ecishe ifane ukuthi naye usabela impilo yakhe futhi uyazicelela yena ukuthi uma kwenzeka lamaphoyisa ezombopha awangafiki kusebusuku ngo-2 ngo-3 ey'ntatha, ucela ukuthi afike kusemini, akanqabile ukuboshwa, uzoboshwa nje ngoba uyazi ukuthi amaphoyisa angafika ngalezo sikhathi angafika amdubule bese kuthiwa yena ubewadubule kuqala noma ubethatha isibhamu. Yona into ayibekile. NoPaulo Sullivan sikhulumile ngaye ngeviki eliphelele naye uthi usabela impilo yakhe. And okusho uCedric Nkabinde uthe ufisa ukwazisa abantu base-South Africa ingakho ebiza i-media briefing ukuthi uma kungenzeka kube khona into eyenzeka kuye, ufuna sazi ukuthi umuntu o-responsible u-National Commissioner ngoba uyena osayine warrant of arrest. Namuhla-ke ntambama sibikela ukuthi amaphoyisa agasele endaweni kaBrown Mokgotsi. Lamaphoyisa afikile laba abakhala ngawo ukuthi afaka amabharaklava, naye ukhala ngokuthi usabela impilo yakhe. Lamaphoyisa bowangafikanga ebusuku ngoba afike after 5 ntambama. Usho ukuthi bowazomthola ngoba baphethe i-warrant, search warrant, search and seizure. Le ababeyiphethe kuGeneral Sibiya, ababeyiphethe kuNkabinde, nangizwe kuthiwa nakuMinister. So nakuBrown Mokgotsi baphethe leyo search warrant efanayo.
Kuluma ngiyabula we can sign as well.
South African Police Service.
Oh yeah. No, I told them I just called General Molawa right now to say General Molawa.
What's been having amaphoyisa up and down now?
Ow.
Yeah. Relax.
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can listen, my brother. Community calls me. Part of this. Maybe you don't know. I'm a social activist. They call me. Whether it's a robbery, whether it's what, they call me for what is happening. But yeah, so Mabatu police station will be here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying right now. The people must relax. It's police who I want. Yeah, no guys, relax. It's
nami ngoBrown Mokgotsi bengeke ngikhululeke. Uma kufika amaphoyisa agqoke kanje, uphoyisa ongaliboni nokuthi linjani ebusweni ubona amehlo nje kuphela. Yiwo-ke lawa bowafikile. Kodwa bongahambi wodwa. Bekukhona ngisho namaphoyisa asendaweni angakubo le eNorthwest, angazi noma ngizothi semafikeng na. Kodwa bowakhona amaphoyisa wakhona nawo ephelezele noma bewayikhona ke le team engizwe bethi yase KZN. Kuthiwa abanye bebehamba ngey'moto ezingamakhiwe, kuthi amaphoyisa amaningi ebowafikile lapha emzini kaBrown Mokgotsi, kodwa bafikele endaweni yakhe ebhizinisi. Amaphoyisa aconfirmile ukuthi ngempela asemzini kaBrown Mokgotsi. Le article ibhalwe kanje: South African Police Services confirmed that there is police presence at the business premises of Mr. Brown Mokgotsi in Seweding village in Mahikeng. This is part of an ongoing investigation that has already been discussed before the ad hoc committee and the Madlanga Commission. Zokhumbula ukuthi uGeneral Mkhwanazi ushilo ukuthi kune-investigation ayenzayo mayelana nokuhlakazwa kwe-political killing stars team. Kune-investigation impela ayenzayo. Yikho nje amaphoyisa egasele kulomuzi. Ngesikhathi ekhuluma-ke nabezindaba bama-media houses ahlukahlukeneyo amcontactile uBrown Mokgotsi. Njoba beyakhuluma ne-ENCA ukhulume kanje khona.
I thought you'll be worried about my life, that 15 people came with rifles here. And I'm so close to share the sentiments of Chief of Staff in Nkabinde about Masemula. to be responsible for his life. I'm also now starting to realize that there is Mabatu police station, Mafikeng police station, there are provincial commissioners and Brigadier Kutukile, whom they could just say, Brigadier, organize Brown, tell him to come to the police station, and they arrive there on time, hand them, and they could hand me over to them, and they go and seize and seize whatever they wanted. Now they're bringing in rifles with ballot lovers.
Hold on. So are you saying
So it calls me,
are you saying Masemola's
what are you
behind
saying,
this?
brother?
Are you saying Masemola's behind this?
Oh, yeah. No. I'm saying the political killing task team, the members who came here from KZN, they went to Mahikeng. South African Police Service is one institution. They could inform the Major General Assaning to talk to the brigadier and tell me I should hand over my gadgets and whatever. So my safety, I'm saying both Masemola and Mkonazi, they should carry this thing. They must know that I'm being intimidated. Remember, I have a date. I've been served to the notice 3 of the commission to appear. The next thing, the police come with rifles and they want to take the phone and the gadgets, whatever, that I'm supposed to utilize during my presentation. The same evidence that I must use in the commission. They now want to take those phones.
Ngikabindi usho into efanayo nalesho Brown Mokgotsi wathi lokufika kwamaphoyisa ngesikhathi belungiselela ukuya kwi-commission. Khumbula ukuthi uzofuneka kwimadlanga commission nakwi-ad hoc committee uzofuneka. Kodwa into akhala ngayo ukuthi le phone iyona le azoyisebenzisa ene-evidence yonke njengoba amaphoyisa efika afika ne-warranty-ke ukuthi funa benze search and seizure. Bazothatha yona le phone. And ngaleso sikhathi useyitholile ne-date ngoba uthi ngicabanga ukuthi amavikini amabili azayo uzobe phambi kwe-commission kaMadlanga. Ilathe khona abantu abaningi bazokwazi ukuthi ubani uBrown Mokgotsi. Njengoba khulunywa ngokuthiwa akasile iphoyisa kodwa une-information esensitive. Kodwa akubeke kwacaca ukuthi yena akayona impimpi yamaphoyisa. Brown Mokgotsi akayona impimpi yamaphoyisa kodwa nje abantu base-South Africa bazokwazi ukuthi ubani uBrown Mokgotsi uma esethula ubufakazi bakhe phambi kwe-commission. Yingakho-ke khala ukuthi ubufakazi obuningi obukule phone le amaphoyisa afuneka ayithathe. Futhi akalile yena. Uthi why bengatshelanga amaphoyisa i-political killing task team ukuthi bayeza bafuna yena. Batshele amaphoyisa ngakubo. Ubatshele u-Provincial Commissioner wase-Northwest, atshele uBrigadier amtshele ukuthi akazende over yena, bathole lokho abakufunayo. Kodwa uma fika amadoda nje afaka amabharaklava ongawaboni, iyona into eyinkinga kuye. Yingakho manje ekhalela impilo yakhe. Siyawazi-ke la amadoda ase-KZN ukuthi balishaya manje ikhanda, hayi kusasa. Kukaningi-ke la khona begasela khona ey'ndaweni ezehlukahlukeneyo. Uma-ke kwathi inkento enje bayishaya indoda abayishiyilele lapho. Bahlukane ney'nkinga. Iyena lento emkhathazayo. Uyabona makukhathazeka uGeneral Sibiya. Hey, kukhathazeke uNkabinde azabiza i-media briefing. No Brown Mokgotsi ukhathazekile. Hayi shuthi kukhulu ngempela esizokuzo. Esikuzwile-ke bafikile emzini kaBrown Mokgotsi bathola ukuthi yena akekho la eGoli. Wabasendela i-location la khona. Kodwa uma bebiza ukuthi yena cha ucela bafike kusasa. Ngoba funeka kube khona ummeli wakhe. Angeke akwazi ukuthi bangafika kuye engekho ummeli wakhe. Okwesibili akafuni bafike ebusuku ngoba uzizwe engaphephile. And uma befika emini uzosondela e-police station eseduze uthe yasesentini. Babonane nabo, babone lo warrant, bathathe lokho abazokuthatha, bahambe ngoba bazile ukuzobapha yena. Ilokho nje uBrown Mokgotsi akubekile. Kanti okunye akushilo uma ekhuluma ne-Newsroom Africa yilokho.
The National Commissioner's Office is the only one who had the letter, or the acting National Commissioner. How did the letter go to the media? Himself and Lieutenant General Mkonazi, they keep on saying they have received. They only saw the letter on social media. How is it that all communications for more than a year from the minister have been coming to their emails and to their offices without being leaked to the media? Why is it this particular letter? managed to get its way to the media?
Yeah.
You should just ask that question. Yes, I've got it on the 2nd, and I was not the only one. It was all over social media.
Yeah. But you communicated it to
Yeah.
Ket Matlala. Why did you do that?
I did, yes. Remember, and you must check the message which is written there. The political task team that has been harassing you has been disbanded. They also spoke about how did I know that the dockets were going to General Sibia. It's a norm. It's a norm. If you are in this environment, the Deputy National Commissioner is responsible for all the dockets in the country. That's why I knew that those dockets must finally, of some way, be handed over to Deputy National Commissioner Sibia.
Yeah.
Engakusho kodwa lokho ngathi yabona usuku loba lukhulu kwi-commission usuku lapho uBrown Mokgotsi ayoya khona kwi-commission. Bebawu-3 abantu abengishilo ngathi yabona uma beyovela phambi kwe-commission noma ku-ad hoc committee kuyobe kuyinsuku ezinkulu bebawu-3. uGeneral Sibiya, uMinister uSenzo Mchunu bese uBrown Mokgotsi. Ngiyababona abanye kodwa laba abawu-3 hayi kodwa kufikile uGeneral Sibiya wabamba wayeka. Usemzuleko uMinister. Kuyasho ukuthi uMinister uyipolitician. Ama-politician kuyajika eduze. Futhi anazi impendulo ufuna ukube careful model nama-politician. Awamfuni umuntu othatha izinto ngemizwa ama-politician. Ayokushiya i-politician umuntu okwazi ukungena enkingeni ngenxa yakhe. Uma isefikile akuchazela uzibona ukuthi wena uwo wrong. Ungena enkingeni nje ngenxa umuntu osephutheni kuze ungena enkingeni nguwe. Ama-politician kanjalo. NoBrown Mokgotsi uyi-politician ngoba uyi-member ANC. So loba likhulu kakhulu njengoba ezovela phambi ka-ad hoc committee. Manje uveza into ebalulekile ukuthi waze kanjani ukuthi ama-docket azoya kuSibiya. Usechazileka ngeke ngisabuyele emuva. Ngifisa ukucapha nale ngxenye yokugcina kunento ayishilo la ngasekugcineni mayelana ne-commission kaMadlanga ngicela uzwe la.
But your intention of sending the letter to Ket Matlala or telling him that the political killings task team was disbanded, what was the intention behind that?
So that they can be free now. So that they can say, oh, abantu kudala bandihlupha lapha. So that he can be free because they went to his house. Remember, I'm going to the commission. A lot is coming. Mona Ntate Xoli kukhala amadoda. Uzonibona xa sendifikile phaya. Olla banna. Let me tell you, I will explain it like bit by bit. Why was it important for me to inform Ket? In one of the radio stations, I said, if Ket was able to fund the ANC January 8th with 100,000, whatever, don't you think he has told me who else has he given money to? Who else? Because now they're making Brown Mokgotsi and they're talking about this 138,000 for the January 8th.
Yeah.
A lot is coming. Yes,
Right.
a lot is coming. We're going to give you extension. I've requested extension, at least it's been granted. It means in a week or two, I'll be in Madlanga Commission to give the
Alright.
side of the story.
Useshiloko Mokgotsi wathi a lot is coming. Uzosichazela kahle yonke kodwa kunephuzu aliveza ngapha ngasekugcineni. Uma uKet akwazi ukufanda iJanuary 8 le ye-ANC laba celebrate khona ibirthday noma yini. Ya bebe kulonyaka iANC benza 113 years. Ya 113. Uma akwazi ukuyifanda 100,000 uthi wamtshela ukuthi obani abanye futhi abafanda. Hayi no. Lukhulu liyeza. Ziyeza usuku lapha azovela khona phambi kwe-commission. Uthe emavikini amabili bazosazisa kodwa nje okusho uBrown Mokgotsi ukuthi kuzokhala amadoda. Ngoba uzoyichaza kahle lento bit by bit. Asinekele yonke into siyizwe. Ilokho thina sikufunayo njengabantu base South Africa. Ukwazi kahle kwenzakalani kodwa umbuzo ohamba phambili nento ehamba phambili funa sithole ukuthi ubani lo Brown Mokgotsi. Ngoba kuthiwa kalona iphoyisa information engaka uyithathaphi. information engaka uyithathaphi. Angezokukhuluma umama lo uPatricia Marshall, the real mastermind, ngoba ngiyamazi ukuthi ukwaba iphoyisa. So information eningi vele unayo. Ngoba ukwaba iphoyisa uya-understand yonke into enzeka ngaphakathi. Mhlawumbe unabantu abathize abamkhiphela yona ngoba bemazi vele iphoyisa. Kodwa-ke okaBrown sizowuzwa-ke kwi-commission. Kodwa ilona suku liyoba likhulu. Lona suku liyoba likhulu ngempela. Ngoba ilapho esofuna sithole khona iy'mpendulo zayo yonke into eyenzekayo. Kuzofuneka achaze ngoba njengoba esho nathi kufuneka naye abeke uhlangothi lakhe le story. Ngicela ukuzukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lonke lo daba esilikhulumayo. La kule video emayelana noBrown Mokgotsi osabela impilo yakhe. Ngoba uBrown Mokgotsi into akhala ngayo nje manje usabela impilo yakhe ukuthi kufika amaphoyisa awu-15 wonke afaka amabharaklavu. Wabonile kamaphoyisa wakhona, bonakala amehlo kuphela, elinye alibonakala isidalo ngoba lifake naney'buko. Angiyibambe ivideo mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ungasupporta ngokuba imember, ungasupporta ngokusidonate likhona account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Mina nawe asidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.